got something new coming in. Let's go dig it out of a barn.
Already.
There she goes. We get loaded up. Yeah, hang on, Tom. We're gonna put these welding rods in it. All right. Go ahead. 66 C code. It's a 289. It was a factory 2-barrel car. It's got a 4-barrel on it now. It's automatic. Uh-oh. Tommy's stuck. There we go. Pretty solid little Mustang though. She's a 66 on a Mustang. Check the 5th digit of the numbers. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a C. C is a 289 2-barrel. Like I said, she's been updated. We got no brakes. We got a dead battery. We got a jump box. I think the jump box said, hey, we ain't starting. Now, she likes to start more. She likes to keep running.
What can you expect with kick light?
I think, well, that's a connection problem.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Go ahead.
Ready? No, I didn't, and it died. Oh.
Hold on.
Yes, sir. Oh, we're down to 1 bar. Ready? Oh.
It's making for an interesting video. Man.
You ready?
Hold on, it's on video.
I got another battery.
Okay, go ahead.
It's a product review. The Gulu 3000A.
Hold on.
Still red.
Yep.
So you got to cool down.
There it goes.
Oh, here we go. We get about a foot at a time. Huh?
Yeah.
Ready?
No.
Say when. You ain't got no faith in the Gulu?
It ain't meant to put out continuous power. Like
No, it's made to start.
Yeah, no, sir. I hope he don't drive that Mustang through that mud.
Nah, she'll go around that way.
Still red.
Still red. Come on, Gulu.
All right.
I wonder if I stopped early, would it allow it a cool off time?
It might.
Let me try that.
It's like a first timer.
Gulu's good for starting. She ain't no good for finishing, huh? We're gonna run a never start to get the rest of the way on there. All right, come on, Mustang. There we go. You got a short chain, Tay? Give me a short chain on the back. We ain't got far to take it back to the shop. That's a good thing about this one. We're about a half a mile from the shop. We probably ain't that far. As a crow flies, maybe 1,000 yards from the shop. We ain't got concrete poured in the girl yet. We done started using it. Gotta be careful and not fill it up before we get finished with it. We're gonna put a little Mustang Sally in here, keep her dry. We'll leave it on the trailer for a little bit. She's in with Steve's Beamer. That's the BMW from Stranger Things. And That is a 1970 Chevelle Super Sport 396. So she's in good company. With the bed from the truck from Twister.